Hi, my name is Mark Haney. I am here to talk to you about language by Mark Haney. The nature of language. Society tends to place different values on various languages. Nearly 12 million children ages 15 to 17 in the United States speak languages other than English at home. Language is a culture and is related to a person's ethnic, geographic, gender, or class origins. Language plays a key role in providing people a sense of identity. Second language acquisition. In 2000, it was estimated that 8% or 3.7 million students were English language learners, or ELL. An ELL student is one who does not speak English or whose English limitations gets in the way of their child's ability to fully participate in mainstream instructions. Building education. Bilingual education involves the use of two languages for purposes of instruction. Bilingual education is often debated and attacked because it has a lot of issues. One argument against bilingual education is that achievement test scores for immigrant children are low and the dropout rate is high. However, research has clearly demonstrated that bilingual education works and is highly effective when properly implemented. We need to build a bridge together. Types of bilingual education programs. There are two main types of bilingual education programs. Transitional programs, an approach in which ELL students are expected to earn to, to function effectively in English as soon as possible. Dual language immersion programs. The goal of the dual language programs are bilingualism, oral proficiency in two languages, biliteracy, reading and writing with two languages, achievement at or above grade level, multicultural competencies. Helping all language learners. All children bring to school a language system of their cultures. It is the obligation of each educator to ensure that the right of each child to learn in the language of the home until the child is able to function well in English. 1 million new immigrants enter the United States annually. Any Maine students will need to be specialized instruction to help them acquire English skills. Goldberg, in 2013, reviewing the available research on teaching strategies for ELL students, suggests that ELL students require additional instructional support. U.S. school districts and educators need to provide an additional support that our bilingual students need to become successful. Thanks. This is again Mark Haney. This is my PowerPoint for language. Thank you.